English Learning Network.
Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning, teacher. I am fine, thank you. And you?
I'm doing well, thank you. Before we begin, can you introduce yourself?
Sure. My name is Reena. I am from Nepal. I am 17 years old.
Very good, Reena. Nice to meet you. Let's practice some simple conversation. Tell me, what do you usually do in the morning?
In the morning, I wake up, brush my teeth, and eat breakfast.
Excellent. What time do you usually wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 in the morning.
That's quite early. And what do you usually eat for breakfast?
I eat bread, egg, and sometimes milk.
Great. Let me correct one thing. You should say, I eat bread and eggs instead of bread egg, okay?
Oh yes, I eat bread and eggs.
Perfect. Now tell me about your school. Do you enjoy it?
Yes, I enjoy school. I have many friends and I like my teachers.
That's good. What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Wonderful. Why do you like English?
Because English is an international language. I can speak with people around the world.
Very nice answer. Just remember to say, English is an international language.
Ah, okay. English is an international language.
Perfect. Now let's practice some questions and answers. I will ask you, and you try to answer. Ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
What do you usually do on weekends?
On weekends, I visit my relatives, play games, and sometimes watch movies.
Sounds fun. Which movie did you watch last weekend?
Last weekend, I watched a Hindi movie with my family.
Excellent. Now, can you make a question for me?
Okay, what do you do on weekends?
Nice question. On weekends, I usually read books, go shopping, and sometimes meet my friends.
That is good. Which book are you reading now?
At the moment, I'm reading a novel called The Alchemist. It's very inspiring. Have you read it?
No, I didn't read it yet.
Good try, but let's correct that. You should say, no, I haven't read it yet.
Oh yes. No, I haven't read it yet.
Excellent! Now, let's practice talking about the past. Tell me what you did yesterday.
Yesterday, I went to school, studied in class, and played with my friends.
Good. Can you tell me one more thing you did yesterday evening?
Yesterday evening, I watched TV with my family.
Perfect. Now, let's practice the future tense. What are you going to do tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I am going to study English and help my mother at home.
Very good. And what about next year? What do you want to do?
Next year, I want to study at university.
Excellent. Which subject do you want to study at university?
I want to study computer science.
That's a great choice. Now let's practice some daily questions. For example, what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is chicken biryani.
Delicious! Do you know how to cook it?
No, but my mother cooks very well.
Wonderful! Let's try another. What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is drawing.
Nice. How often do you draw?
I draw once a week, sometimes twice.
Excellent answer. Now, let's practice asking for help. For example, if you don't understand something in class, what can you say?
I can say, "Excuse me, teacher, can you explain again?"
Perfect! And if you want to borrow a pen from your classmate, what do you say?
I say, "Can I borrow your pen, please?"
Very polite. Good job. Rena, you did very well today. You answered many questions, practiced past, present, and future tense, and used polite sentences.
Thank you, teacher. I enjoyed this conversation.
I'm glad to hear that. Remember, the best way to improve is to practice every day.
Yes, I will practice every day.
Excellent. Keep going, and you will become very confident in English.
Thank you so much, teacher.
You're welcome. See you in the next class.
See you, teacher. Goodbye.
If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English Learning Network for more English lessons. Thanks for watching. See you next time.